We are in the secret cantina. Right? Look at this.
This is amazing.
The grappas.
Look at the bottles. The bottles are so old. Like, look at this.
We're getting ready to drink 1959 grappa.
Oh, here she comes.
This is amazing.
Yeah.
We're in a room right now that's never opened. From Nardini.
A Barolo. I said, oh my God, Antonio, this is the same year I was born. And he said, just take it for your birthday. It was before my 50th birthday.
Oh my goodness.
And so we opened it for my 50th birthday, and everyone said, how was it? I said, it was like a, it was like a 50-year-old woman, maybe not perfect, but it was still drinkable. So, see this bottle here? This bottle is from 1959, and you guys are gonna taste it.
Oh.
Okay, shh. I gotta get glasses.
Oh my goodness.
Wow. I have. Oh my gosh.
Nardini was founded in 1779. So in 1959, this was their anniversary, and they have this in kegs from 1959, and you see how much we've offered to people. Not much.
Wow.
So this is a grappa that was aged since 1959.
So it's
Wow.
barrel aged.
Barrel aged since 1959.
A lot of angel share since then, huh?
Yeah. And no, we haven't, we don't sell it to the public.
Wow.
It's 50% alcohol, and it's like really, you can see how dark it is, because it's actually been aged since
Cheers.
1959.
Delicious.
Yeah. And this is only for,
Oh my gosh. Jamie, grab that. Grab that, Jamie. Grab that. Grab that. Grab that.
nothing happened.
But the
Nothing happened.
bottles, wow.
Yeah. And so some of these bottles, these are from Gattinara. These are bottles made by hand.
Okay.
These are, yeah, the old Nardini bottles, you see the labels are still the same. And there's another thing I didn't tell you about the labels. The word, you see the word Bassano. You see an extra space between the two S's?
Uh-huh.
The people that designed the labels were doing subliminal advertising in 1779, and they put an X right here to draw the eye to the word sano, because it means healthy. Bas sano.
Sano.
So you're going to look at the X there, and you're going to read the word subconsciously sano. Isn't that cool?
Interesting.
Isn't that cool?
Marketing at its best.
Yeah.
I mean, it's
Absolutely.
1700s, they were doing something like that.
That's great.